Hello. The ICUIRE portable dishwasher countertop you mentioned offers several features to meet your dishwashing needs. Here are the key features of this product. Versatile washing programs. This countertop dishwasher supports 7 wash programs, including Heavy, Norm, Eco, Speedy, Infant, Glass, and Fruit modes. These programs cater to different dishwashing requirements, allowing you to choose the most suitable option for your needs. Additionally, an extra store mode provides ventilated storage for up to 72 hours to prevent odors and keep your dishes clean. Small size with large capacity. Despite its compact dimensions of 16.5 x 16.9 x 16.9 inches, this portable dishwasher has a 3-4 place setting capacity. It can fit up to 10 dishes loaded at an angle and accommodate the needs of a family of 3 to 4. The top-load design offers ample space for plates, deep dishes, bowls, cups, glasses, spoons, forks, and table knives, making it suitable for small-sized houses, apartments, dorms, boats, campers, and RVs. No installation needed. The countertop dishwasher supports 2 water supply modes. You can use the faucet mode by connecting the water inlet hose to the machine and the faucet. Alternatively, you can use the self-suction mode by placing the water inlet hose into an external water bucket. This eliminates the need for a permanent water hookup, making installation and use easy and convenient. Efficient drying. In addition to cleaning tableware, fruits, and vegetables, this dishwasher features a drying function. After the wash cycle is completed, the 60-minute dry function with 160 hot air will automatically start. The high temperature and PTC hot wind options are particularly suitable for baby products and oily tableware, ensuring your glassware is sparkling clean and dry. To purchase the product and find more detailed information, you can click on the link provided below the video.